Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover a super cool trick that a lot of you have been asking about, how to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this video, you'll be rocking your Roblox avatar with not just one, but several face accessories at once. First things first, let's navigate to the avatar editor on Roblox. You can do this by clicking on the three lines at the top left corner of the Roblox homepage, then selecting Avatar from the drop-down menu. Now tap on the Accessories section. Click on accessory you want to wear and quickly click on another one. If done correctly, you should be able to equip multiple accessories. It might take a few tries to get it right, so be patient. Once you've mastered it, you'll be able to mix and match various accessories to create a unique look for your avatar. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your Roblox avatar with multiple fixed accessories. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.